what you will learn in this video. In this video, we are going to talk about how to unlock your true potential by learning English. English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. Learning it can open doors to better job opportunities, help you connect with people globally, and build your confidence. If you want to improve your life through the power of language, this video is for you. We'll discuss easy and practical steps that can help you learn English effectively, even if you are just starting. Let's get started. Why learning English is important. Before we dive into how to learn English, let's understand why it's important. English is the global language for communication. It is used in international business, travel, science, education, and on the internet. When you speak English, you can access more information, connect with more people, and have more chances to succeed. Many companies look for people who can speak English because it helps them deal with international customers. If you are a student, knowing English can help you understand books, research, and even study abroad. So, learning English is not just a skill, it's an investment in your future. Step 1. Set clear goals. To start your English learning journey, you need to set clear goals. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Is it for a job, education, travel, or personal growth? Once you know your reason, set small, reachable goals. For example, I want to learn 10 new words every day. I want to speak for 5 minutes in English daily. I want to watch one English video every day. When your goals are clear, it becomes easier to stay focused and measure your progress. Step 2. Start with the basics. If you are a beginner, focus on the basics of the English language. This includes the alphabet, simple vocabulary, common words, basic grammar, like tenses, parts of speech, and sentence structure. Common phrases used in daily life. Don't try to learn everything at once. Take small steps. Start with simple sentences like, how are you? My name is Ali. I like to read books. Practice these until you are comfortable. Then slowly move to more complex topics. Step 3. Listen and repeat. Listening is one of the best ways to learn a new language. Listen to English songs, podcasts, or short videos. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just try to catch the words you know. Repeat what you hear. This will improve your pronunciation and fluency. Try to copy the way native speakers talk. You can also record your voice and listen to your pronunciation. This will help you know where you need to improve. Step 4. Speak without fear. One of the biggest problems English learners face is fear of speaking. Many people feel shy or scared to speak because they are afraid of making mistakes. But remember, making mistakes is a part of learning. Speak as much as you can. Talk to your friends, family members, or classmates in English. Even if they laugh or correct you, don't stop. Every time you speak, you improve. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Step 5. Read and learn. Reading is another powerful way to learn English. Start with simple books, newspapers, or online articles. Look for easy English reading materials for beginners. When you read, underline new words and find their meanings. Make a notebook of new vocabulary. Try to use these new words in your own sentences. Reading not only builds your vocabulary, but also helps you understand sentence structure and grammar naturally. Step 6. Practice writing. Writing helps you organize your thoughts in English. Begin by writing short sentences or daily diaries. For example, today I went to the market. I bought some fruits. The weather was hot. Then slowly move to writing small paragraphs, emails, or short essays. Ask someone to check your writing and correct your mistakes. With regular writing practice, you will see great improvement in your grammar and spelling. Step 7. Use English daily. To truly unlock your potential, make English a part of your daily life. Change your phone settings to English. Watch English news channels. Write your to-do list in English. Think in English. The more you surround yourself with the language, the faster you will learn. If possible, join an English speaking club or attend classes where you can practice regularly. Online platforms and language learning apps are also great tools to learn and practice English every day. Step 8. Stay motivated and be consistent. Learning a new language takes time and effort. You might feel tired, frustrated, or think about giving up. But don't stop. Remind yourself why you started. Celebrate small wins, like learning a new word or speaking for 1 minute without fear. Keep practicing daily. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day can make a big difference. The key is to be consistent. Success comes to those who keep trying. Tips for better learning. Here are some extra tips to make your English learning journey easier. Watch English movies with subtitles. Talk to yourself in English. Join online forums or Facebook groups where English is spoken. Try English language learning games. Teach someone what you have learned. Teaching is a powerful method. When you explain something to someone, you understand it better. Conclusion. What we have learned in this video. In this video, we talked about how you can unlock your potential by learning English. We learned why English is important and how it can improve your future. We discussed easy steps to learn English, such as setting goals, learning basics, listening, speaking, reading, writing, and using English daily. We also talked about staying motivated and consistent. Learning English is not as hard as it seems. With daily practice and the right attitude, anyone can learn it. Believe in yourself, follow these steps, and you will see progress. Remember, English is not just a language. It's a key to your brighter future. Keep learning, keep growing.